watch Yadi Molina, we're watching a future Hall of Famer. He's extremely important to this team because he's the one that sets the tone defensively.
Is he a future Hall of Famer?
He clearly is a future Hall of Famer, and I will be stunned if he's not a first ballot Hall of Famer.
First ballot?
It is clear to me that he is a Hall of Famer. And
this ball is gone. Two-run home run, Yadi Molina. And St. Louis takes a 3-1 ninth inning Game 7 lead. There he goes, hit and run from this by Molina.
Welcome to Yadi Molina's game. He is single-handedly taken over this tournament.
You can understand in basketball how one guy could dominate. There's only 5 out there, but his ability to affect the game is unreal, both from a pitching standpoint, defensively.
None better than that man, Yadi Molina.
You know where he got back into it? Because the game has never seen a better catcher than Yadi Molina. We learned to trust him.
Two-run home run, Yadi Molina. And St. Louis takes a 3-1 ninth inning Game 7 lead.